You've probably heard of VoIP, but did you know your system can do way more than just make calls? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 must-have VoIP features that could save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. These are the same tools we use at AIS to help folks run smoother offices every single day. Hey y'all, I'm Marissa with AIS. Whether you're running a small team or managing a multi-location operation, your phone system should be working for you, not just sitting on a desk. We're going to show you what features to turn on, ask for, or switch providers for, so you're not stuck paying for a system that's holding you back. All right, first up, voicemail to email. This is one of those features that sounds simple, but once you start using it, you'll never go back. Every time someone leaves you a voicemail, it gets sent to your email. That means you can check messages from your laptop, tablet, or phone without having to dial into your voicemail box. But here's where it really helps. Think about all the voicemails you miss while in meetings, driving, or working from home. Instead of guessing who called and what they wanted, you get that info in your inbox, sometimes even as a full text transcription. Are you tired of juggling customer service calls and vendor follow-ups? After switching on this feature, you could cut your phone tag in half. That's real time saved. Next up, auto attendant. You've heard it 1,000 times. Press 1 for sales, press 2 for support. But here's what most folks miss. This isn't just a call router, it's your company's first impression. A good auto attendant makes your business sound polished and organized. A bad one? It makes you sound like you're stuck in 2009. The trick is designing it smartly. Short prompts, clear choices, and please, no elevator music. Go from sounding like a robot at the DMV line to a slick, welcoming system that makes it easy for customers to get help fast. Plus, you're not wasting employee time transferring calls. That's hours saved per week. Feature 3, call recording. Now, if you're in a regulated industry like law or healthcare, this one's non-negotiable. But even if you're not, it's still super valuable. Call recording lets you go back and review important conversations. Maybe a customer claims they were promised something. Maybe you want to coach your staff on how to handle tough calls better. It creates accountability, it helps with training, and honestly, it protects everyone involved. You're not relying on memory or scribbled notes anymore. You've got the full call. All right, number 4 is a biggie. Mobile VoIP. This lets your office phone number ring right to your smartphone, laptop, or tablet. You can answer calls from anywhere. And no, you don't need to give out your personal cell number if you bounce between sites all day. With mobile VoIP, you can pick up calls, transfer to teammates, even start a 3-way call right from your device. It's not just remote friendly, it's mobility proof. This is the feature that keeps your business looking consistent and professional, even when your team's all over the place. And finally, call analytics. Think of this as your phone system's report card. With analytics, you can see when calls are coming in, how long they last, who's answering, and which calls go unanswered. This helps you fix weak spots, like realizing that half your sales calls are being missed between 12 to 2 p.m. because that's when everyone's out to lunch. We've seen teams use this to figure out when to staff up, when to run promotions, and even which employees handle the most calls successfully. Without this data, you're flying blind. So just to recap, with the right VoIP features, your phone system becomes a smart tool, not just a way to make calls. Voicemail to email helps you stay on top of every call without playing phone tag. An auto attendant makes your first impression count by greeting callers professionally and routing them quickly. Call recording adds a layer of protection for your business, while also giving you a way to train and coach your team more effectively. Mobile VoIP keeps you reachable wherever you are. And with call analytics, you get clear insights into what's working and what's not, so you can fix issues before they become problems and make smarter staffing decisions along the way. At AIS, we don't just sell phone systems. We help businesses use them better. If you're not using these features, you're probably not getting your money's worth. Want to know if your system can handle this stuff or what it would take to upgrade? Let's talk. No pressure, just real info from people who do this every day. Got any VoIP questions? Give us a call or visit our website, ais-now.com, and remember, you can worry less with AIS.